hand cut step treads.
Is that what is this?
Yep.
That's why they're not totally level?
Yep.
So what's the purpose you close that riser?
Just some dumbass wants to take his foot all the way through it when he walks up. Retarded people.
Is it for safety?
Yeah.
So the county will not pass inspection because
Somebody decided that one day they're gonna stick a foot in there, and now they made a law that you can't stick a foot in there. It's like sticking your damn tongue to a damn metal pole when it's cold. So you'll see a sign on every pole that says, "Do not lick pole when it's cold." Be like the Christmas story all over again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 steps, but somehow the top step has the cover. Look.
Yeah, because that's the base of the.
Oh, that's the base.
The base of the platform.
Mm.
And they just cut the step tread to meet the base, and they can nail it to the base and come up from there. That's the only reason this got a cap on it already.
I wonder, you think this law is pretty much to all the county, or is it in this particular county? Because I never had this problem before.
Considering how retarded people are, it's probably statewide.
Oh, statewide?
Probably. I mean, they'll change everything around if they could.
Because right now, all the new steps that you buy from the mobile home supply place,
Already done this way.
they already done it this way. So I assuming, so.
If one county does it, they assume the next county is going to fall in line with it too.
Oh, okay.
They pre-adjust the way they're going to build it. It meet all counties. One person can sell to every county.
Mm-hmm. So this is the riser that they put it in right here and here. We bring 2 bore extra, right?
Yep.
Are they 2 different sizes of nails?
Yeah, 16s and 8s. The other one's 8 pennies, big one's 16 pennies. That's how they're supposed to go.
Now, after you put it in, I think it's not so slope anymore.
Yep.
Which is a good thing, right?
Yep. Which they ain't said nothing about it being sloping there.
No, he never says it's a slope.
Nope. That was okay. You can fall and bust your ass on the slope, but you know, you just didn't stick your foot in the hole.
That is interesting.
You know if it's wet, you're going to bust your ass on that slope no matter what.
That's true.
But ain't no step tread tape or anything like that. Put down an extra 16
Does it look really solid now?
No.
Huh?
No.
No? What?
It looks solid, yeah.
I think one of the picket is loose. You see the top
Yeah,
one?
top of there.
We need to make sure nail it back. What? They're loose or something?
One or two was. Make sure they're tight on there.
How can we make sure? If you have to put enough nail, just make sure. Is that one is kind of loose?